Gold, now we are based on 1 hour chart. Now we want to see how we can trade it, whether we can look for sell or not. But before that, if we refer back to my last video when the price was within this, I highlighted that there is a put option. This means that when the price can sharp move up and when can sharp drop. Okay, that's why we say trading on this one we need to be quite careful. Anyway, now we want to see how we can trade it, and what we can see, we are more interested in the sell. Okay, but we are not going to sell from here here. That means anywhere within this range. The only times we want to sell, we want the price come up. That mean we want a price move up, give this correction, we see the corrective structure, then from there we look for sell. Okay, if we wanna take, if we wanna trade this sell, if we get, as long as, that means we wanna get the sell at least from this top or higher, and if we get, as long as the price come here to this low or somewhere around here, we need to know how to manage it. We need to know whether there is a continuation, we keep. There is a reversal, we take out the trade. Okay, that means what we want and what we are more interested, we get the one move up and we look for sell. But how about, do we need to look for buy? Still we can look for buy because I see the correction here. If I get any buy, also we look for buy, and the buy can be short term, and whatever we get, even the price if drop a bit is better. And if we get a buy, also similar to what we see, when the price come here, we need to manage at least move our stop loss to break even. In term there is a continuation. If we see this correcting, there is no continuation, we take out the trade, and based on the what we see, we can look for sell. That means how we can trade it. The first things, if we get a buy, we take the buy, and if we get the buy, as long as the price come here, but then from here they be a bit deeper. As long as the price come here, if we see there is a continuation, we keep. If we see there is no continuation, is correcting, then we take out. If we get the sell setup, we take the sell. Okay, but if the price keep correcting and come and break this low or come somewhere around here, we are not going to take the, the option right now we talk, we are not going to, is not valid anymore. That means then we go for the second option. The second option is the price drop here, we get the deeper correction, then for sure we look for down move. Okay, why just now I mentioned, because the first I highlight that I mentioned that we are more interested to get the corrective structure, we are more interested to get the sell, and the sell can be come to here, reverse, or there is a continuation and come to this low. But why beside that also we need to look for buy? Okay, the reason is, as we can see, we have this structure here. Okay, this kind of the structure is not easy to sometimes to trade. If I draw this, how about if we get this one, whether we call it expanding or anything, this correction is relative to this. Okay, usually we have this kind of, when we see this kind of the structure, any of the options, that means the up move or down move can happen. Alright, that is like it gives us some kind of the difficulty, confusion. There is a based on this, there is a possibility price from here move. Also there is a possibility move up, come break the low, this one become more expanding. Sorry. May draw back again. Become something like this. This means we get this, then move. This means whether from here the price can move or drop can move. Okay, also there is a possibility the price come here. Any of this within this structure can happen. That's why I say both way we can trade it, but whatever the trade we take, we consider as a short term. When I say short term, this means as long as the price move to profit, we try to manage it and keep it safe. Okay, in this case I move to forward chart. I want to explain there. Okay, based on the forward chart, when I look at this, when I see this one sharp move flag, yeah, mostly when we see this one in our analysis, we see we want to sell. but this one was a different. We say also there is a possibility if we get the buy, we look for buy, and if we get the sell, that means we say both option can happen because of what we have right now. Okay, now the things is based on my analysis and my last video. We want to see whether we can put these two together or not to get this flat. Okay, that means we are expecting the price come somewhere around here before drop. In that case, if I draw this line again, there is a possibility price from here come to this level. The second is there is a possibility price come to somewhere around here, may come to this level. That means they fill this gap before this drop. In that case, can start from here or can drop, may drop back again. In that case, the price can continue from here, come to somewhere here or higher, or drop, then go, or drop without filling this gap. Because of this correction I have it. Anyway, as just now we explained, we want the way we trade, we just follow it. If we get the buy within this correction, we look for buy. If we see there is a come here continuation, we keep. If we see there is a reversal, then we look for sell. Alright, in this case, if I see any update, I will share on YouTube. Thanks.